Hello friends, today we are going to start with the first video for learning IBM Statistic SPSS. The version that I'm going to show you is the 19th version. The version from 15 to basically any other version till say 22 is pretty much the same. The basics would remain the same. So it doesn't matter whatever version of SPSS you have. We will go through the first menu today, which is the file menu in the first session. So let's get started. So whenever you open your SPSS, you will have different views. Okay, and I will explain in detail what is each view does. To start with, whenever you open an SPSS, you will have the data view. In data view, you will be able to see your data similar to any Excel format. The other view is the variable view. In the variable view, you will be able to see the variable information. We will go through each of these variable labels and informations in the coming videos. The other very important aspect of SPSS is to generate user-friendly and good-looking outputs. These outputs are generated in a separate window. This is called an output window. Generally, it would be unnamed. You need to rename or need to save it if you want to use these outputs in your reports. The other very important editor or window that you will find in SPSS is the syntax editor. Now, similar to writing any code in any language, say R or SAS or Python or C, SPSS also gives you some flexibility in writing the SPSS codes. This is called a syntax or a script. If you are not aware about how to write this script, then you can also save the script while running your analysis. This is something also that I will show you in the next videos or in the coming videos. So these are the four main type of windows that you will see in SPSS. The first window is your data view. The second window is your variable view. The third window is your analysis output or output window. And the fourth is syntax editor. Most often or not, you will be using data view, variable view, and output view. Syntax editors are only used if you want to do some custom things or you want to repeat or iterate through some procedures. Now let's look at all the file menu options that is available in an SPSS. I will take you through all the file menu using an actual example. So in this session, in the first session for SPSS, you will learn different things. The first thing that you will learn is how to open any file, whether it is the SPSS file, Excel file, CSV file, SAS file, or text files. This is very basic, and this is something which is the first step that you should learn in SPSS. The second thing that you will learn is how you can edit an SPSS data file, how you can export the SPSS data file to some other version, say CSV, and you will lastly learn about saving and printing the SPSS files, whether it is an output file, data file, or a syntax file.